With winter just around the corner, we're reminded of how annoying it can be to shovel snow, put down ice salt, and maintain your home when it's freezing cold. Townhouses offer a great solution. You get all of the maintenance taken care of for a really good price, but you're attached to your neighbor, and some people want a detached house with all of those same benefits. For under $400,000, I've got just that.